Today, I have 3 free macros to share with you. These macros allow you to apply beautiful colors and effects to any picture with just the click of a button. I've left a download link for all 3 macros in the video description, along with the exercise image I'll be using. I've also included installation instructions for the macros, in case you've never installed a macro before. For the rest of this video, I want to show you what these macros can do. First, let's apply the Warm Color Enhance macro. As you can see, this macro makes the photo brighter and warmer. This macro will look good on just about any photo. If you think the effect is too strong though, you can lower the opacity of the group. And if you think the effect is not strong enough, you can duplicate the group by pressing Command or Control-J. By duplicating the group, I think it's made her lips too saturated though, so I'll apply a mask to the second group, and then paint black on the mask to hide the effect from her lips. Now the second group is brightening our photo even more, without oversaturating her lips. Next, let's apply the dark Moody effect. This macro creates a very stylized effect. This effect doesn't look good on all photos, but for some pictures, it really looks great. I think it looks good on this photo, but we should lower the opacity of the group. Much better. Finally, we'll apply the Sepia macro. This fun macro will give your photo a vintage look. While applying the macro, you'll have the opportunity to adjust how bright or dark the colors in your photo become. I want her red lipstick to be dark, so I'll lower the red to 50%. But now her skin is too dark, so I'll bring the yellows to 150% in order to compensate for the lower reds. With this macro and all of the others, you can adjust the individual layers inside of the group. With this one, maybe you'd want to lower the orange coloring. By adjusting the individual layers, you can stylize these macros however you want. Thanks for watching, my friends, and I hope you enjoy your new macros.